If you want to customize always on a display on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to open settings. Now over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to personalization. Now once you open personalization, then in here we can find always on a display. Of course in here we can enable and disable always on display. You can go to display items in order to choose how and when AOD should be displayed. Besides that, we should be able to find a bunch of different themes and you can choose whichever one you would like to use. In some cases we also have personalization, like for example we can change the text color. We can also apply the vertical clock with paint. So let's see how it looks like. There we go, we have applied it. There is also the battery and notifications that can be displayed on AOD. And even you can create your own theme by choosing your own custom image from the gallery. We have even a couple of examples in here as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.